Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video we will learn about how we can able to send the auto reply on WhatsApp. Yes, this feature is not on WhatsApp, but we will use this feature on WhatsApp, and I'm gonna tell you two tricks how you can able to do it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So here in the first trick, what exactly you need to do, you have to open the Google Play Store and install this application. Name is Autoresponder for WhatsApp. Yes, simply open this application and it will be open up like this. Click on this get started and it will ask you for permission. Just give the permission and come back. Now here, this is the interface which is blank right now. You will be getting here. Here you have to click on this plus sign first of all. Now when you click on this plus sign, you will be getting this page. Now here, this is the rules, like you have to follow some rules here in this application. Now here on the top, you have to select what is the message you are going to receive. Let's suppose if you have your birthday or you have your marriage anniversary, any message you feel that any message you accept on your WhatsApp, then you can type it here like a happy birthday. This message you can type it here, or you can select on the bottom that it should be exact wording or similarly or pattern matching, anything you can select it here. And then on the bottom you have to reply it, like you can select here thank you, like you can type here thank you very much. So this is the auto respond on this particular message. Like if somebody sends you a message of happy birthday, then a message automatically goes like thank you very much. And then there are so many other settings. You can also do it on bottom, and then you can click on this OK set button on the bottom, and this message will automatically get set here. See this on the top, whenever anybody send happy birthday, the message goes thank you so much. So this is how you can able to set the auto respond on your WhatsApp. It will automatically respond from your WhatsApp. Now this is the first trick how you can able to send the auto reply on your WhatsApp. Now let's talk about the second one. And for second one, you have to just go to the another application, name is Skidded Scheduling. That is Skidded Scheduling app, right? Simply click on open and open this one, and it will be come up like this. Here you have to click on this create account, and you have to very quickly you have to just enter your informations here. Now when you create your account here, you will be getting this page here. Here on the bottom there is an option of plus sign. You can click on this one and you will be getting so many of options like Telegram business, WhatsApp business, WhatsApp email, call, SMS, anything you can select. I'm gonna select WhatsApp here, and the moment I click on, I will be reaching here. Now here I have to select a message which I want to send on anyone WhatsApp at a particular time. Let's suppose you want to wish someone a marriage anniversary on a particular date at 12 o'clock exactly. Then you can write a message here like happy marriage anniversary like this. Then you can select the WhatsApp here and then click OK. And on this WhatsApp you just have to select the person name, like I'm gonna select this person name here, and it will automatically get added here. And on the bottom you can able to schedule the timing, like you can select the timing here. Let's suppose on 27th I can select and the timing as well. Let's suppose I select the timing of 12 o'clock. Once I select everything here, I can select I can click on this OK button on the top, and this message will automatically get set on your WhatsApp on a particular time, and it will automatically send. You don't need to worry at all. So in this way you can also select a scheduling message autoresponder for your WhatsApp. And not only for WhatsApp, you can also select the scheduling for your Telegram, WhatsApp business, WhatsApp email, call, anything you can select from here as well. So you must try both of them. Link of the both application I will be putting in the description. You can check it from there. Any question, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.